Hey, what's up, Winklink coin holder? And this time, my brother, the Winklink coin is again come to trending, and definitely today I have something very special information, and I think this is very secret now, my brother. But this is just in only for my viewers, my subscriber. But kindly, if you are new my channel, then can subscribe this channel. This will be very important now. All right, I also predicate this Winklink coin, my brother. So kindly, you need to must watch this video completely to understand better to what's going on next and what we need to do, my friend, in the same time. My brother, first of all, I am going to give you something very secret information about Winklink coin, my brother, because Winklink CEO, my friends, personally I listen the experts, my friends, to this says, my friends, to upcoming days there is a chance to Winklink with collaborate with a lot of companies. And my friend, I listen something like this also, to there is a chance to they will collaborate with Amazon. So I think this is very shock news for all of you, but I think this is reality now, my brother. So if they will collaborate with these type companies, so remember, to they will the $1 dollar, $2 this is very easy now, my brother, because this is very high company. So absolutely, if they will collaborate with Amazon, so remember, my brothers, to they will give you $1 dollar easily. This is our target now, and definitely the experts sees, my friend, to upcoming days the Winklink price will increasing totally. And I think absolutely everybody knows this too. In the last 10 days of every month, every coin will price increasing now. So this is clear, my brothers, to the last 10 days, sorry, the 7-8 days, my friend, the price is very fastly increasing now. So this is 100% proof, my brothers, to the 7 to 8 days, my friend, the price will increasing now. But there is a chance to upcoming days also, my friend, they will moving upward, the price will moving upward. So my viewers, my subscriber, this is my advice for all of you. Remember, not a financial video, please. This is just advice for all of you. Please research personally before you take any decision. But I just share, my friend, the personal experience. So kindly, you need my best to do this. I am 100% sure you will never lost. My friend, the price of Winklink coin were very badly falls down in last months, my brother. But this time they will again starting recovering now. So I know, my friends, to in upcoming times Winklink coin will also move upward. So therefore, I think I have also, my friend, need to buy more, because the price is very increasing now. And after, my friend, the huge jump, absolutely everybody, my friend, understand to the price will increasing, we need to buy. But absolutely, my friend, when the price is very cheap, then, my friend, we will do this mistake too, we cannot starting selling or buying. But absolutely, my friend, in this time FDS6 channel will give you, my friend, the good time to invest, the good time to buy, the good time to you starting selling everything, my brother. So you need to subscribe this channel. All right, so thanks for watching. Please, my friends, subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Keep touch with us. I hope you will be never lost. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.